7 plus 7 divided by 7 minus 7. All 7s. Your brain sees that pattern and wants to go left to right, and that's the trap. Here's what most people do. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Easy, right? The answer is negative 5. Wrong. You just ignored the order of operations. Division doesn't wait for addition to finish. It happens first, always. Let me show you the correct method. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Now we have 7 plus 1 minus 7. Going left to right, 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 minus 7 equals 1. The answer is 1, not negative 5. You were off by 6 because you went on autopilot. All those 7s hypnotized you into ignoring the rules. If this caught you sleeping, hit that like and subscribe for more problems that look simple but aren't.